Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, you are welcome. Today is just a quick video to show you how I begin a crochet project. Even though I've made a number of videos where I've been crocheting, I've just realized that I do not really have a video where I show you how I start my crochet project. So today I just want to um, quickly show you how it's done, starting off with chain stitches and followed by single crochet stitch. It is pretty simple, guys. It's something that I've featured in my videos for quite a while, but I haven't really been showing you the technique that is really involved in doing so. And I just want to be elaborative on that, and I hope it will help someone, especially here in England, because in England we are in our second lockdown, guys. Yeah, it isn't easy, but yeah, it is for our best interest that we go on to this lockdown, and we are willing to work as a nation to kind of work along with our government to make sure that everything um, is prevented. We know COVID-19 is claiming lives, and it's not easy, guys. It's not easy, and how are your countries coping with this? It is a pandemic, and we all really want to survive, and we're hoping that we're going to wake up one morning to some news that there hasn't been any cases reported. So yes, guys, let's stay indoors. If your country has put you in a lockdown, and let us just cooperate, and one day, yeah, we're gonna come out of this stronger. Yeah, please God.